What's up, OMG Nation? Oh, keyboard warriors. So the other day, inside of one of these Harley-Davidson groups that I belong to on Facebook, I think it's a fat boy group or something, I can't remember exactly which one it is. I posted a picture that Mrs. OMG took when I was rolling down the road, and some dude made a comment about my helmet, which is this comment right here. I thought it was hilarious, and I clicked a little ha 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 ha, but well, then the more I thought about it, I thought, you know what, that's really sad that dude is so sheepish that he thinks anybody that wears a full face helmet thinks that they're on a racer, probably aka a sports bike. I mean, it probably would have taken him about half a second to look at the OMG MOTO TV lettering on the side of my helmet, and also where I posted it from was from my Facebook OMG MOTO page. For him to figure out that I'm a moto vlogger, or for him to figure out that, hey, I bought this showy helmet because I wanted to protect my noggin. But this dude thinks that because I'm wearing a full face helmet, I'm trying to be a racer on a 2006 Harley-Davidson stock engine. Dummy. That just kind of makes me think about one of the things I always talk about. I don't necessarily follow the traditional style of a cruiser rider. I think there's only one or two places on this fat boy that say Harley-Davidson on them. The speedometer, and then right there, as far as I know of. There may be another place, but I've kind of removed everything, and I don't wear a big Harley-Davidson logo across my back. They don't pay me to advertise for them. I like them, don't get me wrong, don't misunderstand me. I like the Harley-Davidson motorcycle, but I'm not that guy. I came from a business that if you're talking about it, you either really like it or you're receiving some form of compensation. So when you guys see my Cage Muscle stuff, you know that I'm an ambassador for Cage Muscle because I believe in the company and believe in their product. I still just find it interesting that this guy was so sheepish. I thought about going back and saying, do tell, my friend, explain. But then I just kind of laughed it off and thought, what a dummy. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you're riding a Harley, do you have to wear your traditional Harley gear? If you happen to ride a sport bike, a Ducati, a Honda, a Yamaha, whatever, a Suzuki, a Triumph, do you feel like you have to, an Indian, do you feel like you have to wear their logo all over your body? I don't, and I'm just not going to. It's just not my style, unless I get compensated in some form or fashion. That's just me. Tell me what you guys think. Put it in the comments below. So today is Labor Day weekend, and I'm headed over to a buddy's house. We're gonna do a little grilling out. Oh, but then there's this. How does that guy know I'm not a racer? I could be Dale Earnhardt Jr. on a cruiser for all that dude knows. All he saw was a blue helmet. I should have went down Cox Road. All he saw was a blue helmet, black visor, and a logo on the side of the helmet, and instantly he was triggered. Trigger warning! There it goes. Literally 15 minutes in. Look at this small town right here. Soap shop. Eagleville. Welcome to Eagleville. Look, there's the Eagleville Fire Department. They might be small, but they get the job done. So the festivities are over, everybody's winding down. There's still some folks out here, but you know how I am. I don't like to put people on camera if they don't want to be on camera, but some pretty cool bikes you guys saw that are here, including mine. But we're gonna get moving.
At first.
Okay. Well, hopefully.
If you think you see one pulling the clutch, hit the gas, rev it up a couple times, and scatter.
They'll scatter? Okay.
That's what I do.
Hopefully they'll, if they hear this, they won't even come this way.
No, they usually scatter when I hit the gas. Got the same pipe.
Huh?
Got the same pipes.
Vance and Hines? Yeah. I put Big City Thunder baffles in these.
Oh, mine's stock baffles.
Yeah, I took the stock baffles out.
Yeah, you're a little bit louder. You're a little deeper than me.
Yeah, it kind of thumps my ear a little bit. I like them, but when it thumps on my ear just a little, and that's in this helmet. So that's it. I'll see you, brother. Is this on? Yep. All sorts of stuff. Yeah. I made a quick stop over at my buddy's place for a Labor Day weekend grilling and festivities. There's quite a few folks there. I didn't want to put everybody on camera or ask everybody that was there if they minded being on camera, so I just got a little bit of footage. We'll do a little bit more montage footage on the ride back home. It's such a pretty ride. Oh, look at here, we got another plane about to land. Maybe we'll catch this one landing. I'll pull over and stop and see if I can get it. We might catch it. I think the airport's right here. Yeah, there he landed. just dropped my phone. Yeah, it fell off this. Alright.